What's up, everyone? Hope you're living your best boating life out there. Today we're talking grills. Now, if you know us, you know we like a tasty burger when we're out on the water. Last year, we decided to upgrade our boating experience by adding a Magma Kettle Grill to our boating gear. Now, since we don't have fishing rod holders on our boat and our bow rails were too low, the bimini poles were our only option for mounting the grill. It really was not ideal. The grill is heavy and the pole would rotate around slightly with the movement of the boat. And then, of course, one day it happened. The clamp broke. The grill and our tasty burgers took a swim in the drink.
Look, Bird, I'm trying to record. We're getting ready to have some mimosas here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a new upgrade on the boat. I got a new grill. So it's a Magma grill. The problem that we were having with the other grill, I like it, but just where we mount it, it fell off in the water one time. I don't like how oh ho ho ho, I'm spilling my drink. I don't like how it mounts on the bimini. So we've got this pedestal mount right here. Eventually I'm going to try to mount it over here. So that's what this video is going to be about today, is us. We're going to open up this Magma grill. We're going to go ahead and mount it. But right now we're going to finish up these mimosas. Cheers. Cheers. And then we're going to go ahead and get that grill going and see what it does. And then maybe we'll try it out or something. I don't have any food to cook though.
Oh, there's another box. Damn it. Sorry. Okay.
For grill or table use only, do not use while boat is underway. Remove and stow pedestal table. All right. Limit load to not exceed 50 pounds. All right. Yeah, there we go.
Is that glue? What the?
Tools required. There we go.
Ah, there it is. All right, so this locks down. It's cool. You can take these out and scrub a dub.
All right, so you got a little
grease drip tray, whatever that's.
Cool. He clips on there.
Oh,
that's cool. That way that comes out, and that way, yeah, that'll be easy cleaning there.
All right, lid, and lid lock, grill grates. What's that?
Oh, that's the tray. So that's like the tray stand. Oh, so maybe that's something different then. Shoot. So that's how it's.
Oh, these are the feet.
Yeah, that's the feet, so it can stand up. Here, let me read the instructions. All right, so we're still trying to figure this out. I don't know if this is going to work for our needs, because you know, if that thing was to be on there the entire time, I mean, this. It would have to be attached.
It's a permanent install.
Yeah.
You can take the pedestal out, but then how do you stow it?
Correct. It'd be kind of weird. So I mean that might work just as a grill, as like a portable. Essentially, it's a portable gas grill.
Yeah.
Right, and it's got those.
But is there a better option for, if that's what all you need? It's got feet. But is there a better option if that's what you're doing? You're just setting your grill on your boat.
Yeah, because we could set it there on the bow. You know, as long as it's not
choppy,
too choppy or too wavy, because that whoop, it's gonna go off into the water. Mm-hmm. So, because I'm thinking here to have this on there, we'd mount this. Yeah, the screws would come here. I mean, it could potentially work. I would have to, we need to mount this onto there, and then we could take this off. So do you want to try that? We'll try.
You mount that on there? No. You need to mount it on here.
Correct.
Yeah.
We'd mount that on there, and then right here, underneath, we can take those off. So it'd be a little bit of work, but all right. So we're gonna go ahead and try to.
So this is gonna go up like that. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then which
holes?
It's not lining up with any holes. It's not lining up with any holes. Did that come with the...
Yeah, there it is. Line up with some holes.
Is it?
Yeah.
So, oh, I'm not using those ones. I'm using... Okay, got you.
Yeah.
Which ones is it? These inner ones?
Yeah, I believe so. And then...
Oh, God, I don't know.
It might be a two-person job here. Yeah, then you're going to have to hold it and then screw on this guy to hand tighten it.
Ruh-roh.
Okay.
I need some pliers to hold it.
Oh, you want pliers?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we gotta go get some pliers. Cool. So you want needle nose pliers to hold it?
Needle nose and a Phillips. Yeah, it'll grab on, but I'm trying to... These old eyes. Did I get it? I can't believe it.
I guess. I have no clue. It doesn't look easy.
Does it fit? Or I wonder if we could stick them.
All right, let me do it like that. Yeah, it should fit in this guy here. Alright, so maybe I gotta turn this and then it'll screw in or something.
No, I'm thinking you do like this. Let me see that.
Yeah. No, I can't.
It can't go
because you
down.
can't. Yeah,
Yeah,
it has to go up that way. So this
but
is.
then how do you?
Alright, we'll try to get one. Oh, this sucks. Oh, we can't be doing this on the water.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work.
Okay. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Well, here's the thing. Hold on. Take this. Take this.
Yeah, you're right. That looks like that might come off. Does it?
I don't think so. I don't get it.
Press to release. All right, I think we figured this out.
Yeah. All right.
So I think this thing here,
Comes off.
he comes off.
He mounts to the grill.
He mounts to the grill.
Okay.
Now we got this.
Perf.
All right, I think we might be in business.
So can we just mount this to the grill? Do we even need this other piece?
I don't know.
Okay.
I think.
Oh yeah, it does show it. Yeah.
So we need to mount this to this, and then this way it comes off, and then it's storable because we don't want to have this guy attached permanent.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
All right, so let's figure this out. All right, so now we're gonna get this attached to here.
I don't understand how.
And here.
I think it just screws in. I don't think there's.
No magic, huh? Yeah. There we go. Cool. And that's what I was saying. There's no.
I thought I saw one with.
This one's got it. So this one here, at least it's I could ratchet that down.
Okay.
Just want to get a disclaimer here. We are not professionals. We are just two random people on YouTube. Press.
And then you do this.
All right.
It's not clicking. Doesn't it usually click?
Yeah, keep spinning. Yeah. There you go. All right. What do you think?
Nice.
This looks legit. All right, got that drip pan.
Drip pan here. Goes in. It's supposed to click.
I think it clicked. Oh. All right, so we might have to make some adjustments here because this thing's not going in all the way now, and I think it might be because of the bolt. So let's let me take a look at this. All right, so we did it incorrectly. This is really par for the course for me, though. When I work on things, I usually do it the wrong way, and then I have to go back and redo it. So, all right, so I think we did something wrong, so we're gonna reconfigure this here. So basically, we're going to take this off, do it again. I'm not going to bore you guys with this, so we're going to we'll get to the good part, but we got to redo this. Shoot! And they're doing yard work when we're trying to record. Hey, no yard work on Sundays.
All right, so that's locked. Moment of truth.
Serious?
Ow! You just...
Sorry.
I think it's... Is it... No, there he is. So it has to go under these feet here.
Okay. Sorry. I smashed your finger.
That's all right.
And then you stick it in the hole. Camera overheated because we were out here taking too long. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try this boy out now. So we'll have to work on the actual position, but I don't know, that might work. All right, so let's go ahead and take that. All right, got my liner, and then push. Can't hear because that guy.
See, I can smell it.
There it goes. Yeah, it's on now. I think you wouldn't be cutting the grass. Oh yeah, it's on. I hear it. So we did it, babe. We did it. Here we go. So we're gonna bring this baby out the next time we go out. Give her a try. We'll get some more of those gas cans that we can use, or whatever. We got another one, but this is looking good. I think this is gonna be a game changer. I hope you guys like this video. It's not our typical video, but just wanted to really show you guys some of the other stuff that we do while we're not out on the water. Looking forward to trying some burgers. We can do other things too. Hot dogs. Oh, hot dogs, brats. So it'll be cool. Shish kebab.
Clearly that kettle grill was not getting it done for us, so this year we went all in with a brand new Magma Pedestal Grill, and oh boy is it nice. The difference is literally night and day. Not only is it steady, but the setup is way easier. With the other grill, we needed actual tools to set it up. I'm talking a wrench and a socket each time. It was work, y'all, during a time when we were trying to escape work. Plus, look at the location. Jason loves it. This location lets him sit back and relax while he's grilling up our tasty burgers. We do think it's a better grill as well. Both have good reviews, and you might have a perfect spot for the kettle grill. But so far, it seems like it cooks more evenly, and it has more surface area, and would you just look at those tasty buns. Nom, nom, nom. Moral of the story? Sometimes you gotta go through a few duds to find what works for you, and it's looking like this one is a game changer for us. Now, if you're thinking of buying either of these two grills and you have questions for us, pop them in the comments and we'll see if we can help you. Thanks, y'all. See you out there on the water.